Hello, this is Cecilia from Expolot Studio. Today we are going to be testing the UV printed sheet on PU. So let's get started. Okay, so today we are testing PU, and PU is a different kind of materials that you will also find in baby mats and so on. But I kept on running into problems with the PU. It's like it almost goes, but then it becomes ragged. And then this PU ball, like a stress ball, for example, this one, when I do the transfer, and I really rub it in there to make sure that the logo is properly on, it still gives me problem. It doesn't even, properly stay. I think at this point it's soon going to take totally off. So I would have to say that the PU is not meant for transfer. PU, on other hand, we can put into the UV machine and print it straight into the machine. That is when you will get the perfect result. But the transfer is definitely a no. As you can see here, just really don't work. Yeah. Thank you for watching.